This is an introduction to Search Sage Timberline Office. This Excel-based Office Connector Starter Report is provided for your ongoing use as part of your annual maintenance and support for Sage Timberline Office. This report allows you to enter search values for a wide number of fields commonly used with your transactions. Your search can encompass multiple Sage Timberline Office applications. When the search is complete, you are presented with a summary of the results that include hyperlinks that take you to the details. To run this report, start Sage Desktop, go to Excel-based Reporting Office Connector, and double-click on Search Sage Timberline Office. Note that you can also run this report from the Starter tab of the Office Connector Launchpad. Office Connector immediately wants to connect with your Sage Timberline Office database so that a list of available values can be provided for certain parameter cells. This begins with a prompt for you to select your Sage Timberline Office company folder and then enter your login credentials. Please take the time to read the information sheet. This will provide important details about the report's capabilities and also how to use the report. Before running the report, you must provide your search criteria. To do this, click the Search worksheet. First, check the box for each application that you wish to search. For each application, the current and history transaction files will be searched. Note that if your company uses named transaction files other than current and history, the report will not query those files. Next, supply values that would identify the transaction or transactions that you wish to find. Fields that are common to transactions in most applications are identified in the Common Fields section. Fields that are more specific to certain applications are found in the sections that follow. Just use the plus or minus buttons in the left margin to expose or hide these sections. Once you have entered your desired search criteria, click the Search button to start the search. The amount of time required to search your files will depend on the volume of data in your data files, the number of applications you are searching, and the number of matching records returned by your search. When finished, a summary of what was found is shown on the Results worksheet. This shows the number of matching transaction records found in each application. If your search did not result in any matches, you can click New Search to return to the Search worksheet, revise your criteria, and try again. Click on the hyperlink for any given application to view the detailed search results. Before we look at the detail part of the report, let's take a look at the top portion. If you want to see the search criteria that produced these results, just click the plus button in the left margin. Notice that the company data folder is displayed as a hyperlink. Clicking this link allows you to quickly switch to another company folder and apply the same search criteria. Upon choosing your other folder, the query will automatically be refreshed. If you wish to go back to the summary of the current search, click Back to Results. If you wish to start a new search or revise your previous search criteria, click New Search. Now, let's take a look at the detailed part of the report. This provides a list of all transactions in this application that met your search criteria. The File column tells you which transaction file a given transaction was found in. This will be either current or history. Notice that all columns have an Auto-Filter drop-down button. For example, I'll click the drop-down for transaction type and specify that I only want to see check transactions. In the top margin, I can click the plus button to expose additional columns that may be of interest. With this particular report, data is not saved with the report when you save it. The report was designed in this way so that you will always see current information when opening a saved copy. This enables you to have a separate Excel workbook that contains predefined search criteria for common searches that you want to perform. If you are using Excel 2007 or higher, make sure that you choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. This will ensure that the macros required by the workbook are preserved. If you wish to share a copy of your report with someone who does not have Office Connector, just click the Office Connector toolbar and click Save as Values. This saves the report as an ordinary Excel workbook that is no longer linked to your Sage Timberline Office database. It can then be provided to any user of Excel. Once again, this Excel-based report is brought to you by Sage and is powered by Event 1 Office Connector. A full license of Office Connector can be purchased, enabling you to use a variety of other pre-built Excel reports, have your consultant create reports for you, design your own reports, or even send data from Excel back into Sage Timberline Office. Be sure to visit the Event One Software website to sign up for a free live webinar about Office Connector, or contact us if you have any questions about upgrade options, pricing, or licensing. This is an